Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper. In this video I'll show you how to take screenshot on your tab. To take screenshot on your tab, firstly, let's check gestures. Go to settings and find gestures. As you can see, this tab has 3-finger screenshot. To use this gesture, simply swipe down with 3 fingers on any side of the screen. Also, you can use the power button and volume down button gesture to take screenshot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.